Welcome to our channel. Using the Tor browser enables anonymous web browsing by routing your internet traffic through multiple encrypted servers, protecting your privacy and allowing access to restricted content. Step 1. Visit the official Tor project website at torproject.org using a standard web browser. Step 2. Click the Download Tor browser button prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 3. Select your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Android, to download the appropriate version. Step 4. Wait for the Tor browser installation file to download completely to your computer. Step 5. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run the installer. Step 6. Follow the installation wizard prompts, choosing your preferred language and installation location. Step 7. Once installation completes, launch Tor browser from your Applications folder or desktop shortcut. Step 8. Click Connect on the Tor startup screen to establish a connection to the Tor network. This may take 10 to 30 seconds. Step 9. Wait for the connection to be established and the Tor browser homepage to load, indicating you're now browsing anonymously. Step 10. Use Tor browser exactly like a normal browser, but remember that browsing will be slower due to traffic routing through multiple servers. Step 11. Avoid maximizing the browser window, as unique screen dimensions can be used to identify you. Keep the default size for better anonymity. Step 12. Never log into personal accounts while using Tor if you want to maintain complete anonymity. Step 13. Access .onion websites, dark websites, by entering their specific .onion URLs directly into the address bar. Step 14. Close Tor browser completely when finished to end your anonymous session and clear all browsing data automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.